Hi guys, I've just got a new Diamondback Venom 2012 model, and I'm just going to be doing a bike check on it. We'll start off with the Afix grips. They're in black, but they're really worn down because they wore down easily. I've got an Afix brake lever with an Afix brake on it. It's a really good brake. It works fine. I've got Afix pedals, which are plastic but they're really grippy and they're cheap as well. I've got a Diamondback cranks, 3-piece cranks, and a Diamondback 25 tooth sprocket. On the back I've got a KHE rear hub and rear wheel, and on the front it's the same KHE rim and wheel, and a Quando rear hub, which sounds really good. I'll just show you. Yeah, and that's my new bike. Thanks for watching. Bye.